In today's episode of Top 5 Tray, we're diving into the world of universal remotes. Yes, those magical little devices that can control everything in your living room with just one click. Whether you're tired of juggling remotes or you're looking to streamline your smart home setup, we've got you covered with the top 5 universal remotes of 2024. Now, we've actually tested each of these ourselves, so what you're getting today is our real experience using them, from the affordable and basic remotes to the ultra techy smart options. We're sure you'll find something that fits your needs. And trust me, once you switch to a universal remote, you'll wonder how you ever lived without one. So stick around until the end, because we're going to help you figure out which one's perfect for you. And remember, we've put links to each product in the description so you can grab yours with just a click. Let's get into it. Kicking things off with the ZdalaMit New Replace Universal Remote. If you're looking for something simple and budget-friendly, this remote is the perfect choice. We tested it across different brands like Samsung, LG, and even older models, and guess what? It worked flawlessly. Coming over to its feature that we absolutely loved, it is pre-programmed, so you don't have to go through the hassle of syncing codes or searching for complicated instructions. Just pop in the batteries, point it at your TV, and boom, you're in control. Now, you're not going to get all the fancy features here, but for those who want simplicity and reliability, ZdalaMit delivers exactly what you need. Its buttons are well sized, and during our test, we found the response time to be incredibly fast. No lag, no misfires. It's honestly a no-brainer if you want a remote that just works. So if you want to ditch the clutter of multiple remotes and get back to watching your favorite shows with ease, check the link in the description and grab one today. Next up, we've got the Angrox Universal TV Remote Control, and this one adds a bit more versatility without breaking the bank. We tested this one in a larger room, and the first thing we noticed was the 10-meter range. This is perfect for those of you with big living rooms or home theaters, because you don't have to be right next to your TV to use it. It's also compatible with a wide range of brands, including Samsung, Panasonic, Sony, and LG. So if this sounds like what you need, check out the link below and upgrade your entertainment setup. Now let's take things up a notch with the Pairtty Universal TV Remote. This one is for you if you need something that does more than just control the TV. With Pairtty, you can also control your Blu-ray player, sound systems, and streaming devices like Roku or Fire TV. We tested it across multiple devices, and it handled them all smoothly thanks to its auto search function. This feature automatically detects the device you're trying to pair, which saved us a ton of time during setup. It's incredibly lightweight, and what's really cool is that the buttons are very tactile, which means that you can feel each press clearly, making it easier to use in the dark during movie nights. We found it to be a great option if you're someone who uses multiple devices and doesn't want to keep switching between remotes. It's also a bit more durable than some of the cheaper options, so it can take a few drops without breaking down. If you're ready to simplify your home theater setup with a remote that controls multiple devices seamlessly, make sure to check out the Pairtty via the link in the description. Alright, now we're getting into the smart side of things. This next one is for all the tech lovers out there, the SofaBaton U1 Universal Remote. This remote takes convenience to the next level with its OLED display and a smartphone app. We absolutely loved how easy it was to switch between devices using the screen. It supports over 500,000 devices, and you can pair it with your TV, sound system, gaming console, streaming box, and more. During our test, we had it connected to 3 devices simultaneously, and switching between them was as simple as turning a dial on the OLED display. Another standout feature is the smartphone app, which lets you program and customize the buttons exactly how you want them. Whether you want to program a quick shortcut for movie mode or control your entire home theater with just one button, the app makes it easy. We also found it incredibly helpful that you can replace up to 15 remotes with just this one device. The SofaBaton U1 is perfect for anyone with a smart home setup or multiple entertainment devices. If you're into tech, customization, and want a remote that can handle anything you throw at it, this is the one for you. Be sure to check the link in the description to grab yours today. And finally, we've saved the best for last, the SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote with hub and app. This remote is not just for controlling your devices, it's a full-on smart hub for your home. The standout feature here is the hub itself, which allows you to control your devices even when they're hidden behind cabinets or walls. We tested this with a home theater setup and it worked like a charm. You can be in another room, press a button, and your TV or sound system will respond instantly. But that's not all. The SofaBaton X1S supports both infrared and Bluetooth devices, meaning it's compatible with just about anything you can think of. We particularly really loved the scene control feature, where you can create custom scenarios. For example, with one tap, you can turn on the TV, dim the lights, and start your sound system for the perfect movie night. We found it to be a game changer for anyone who wants full control of their smart home devices without being restricted to one room. It's an all-in-one solution that can handle even the most complex setups. If you want the ultimate smart home experience, click the link below to get the SofaBaton X1S and take your home control to the next level. Capping of our explorations, whether you're after simplicity or advanced smart features, these top universal remotes of 2024 offer something for everyone. From the budget-friendly ZdalaMit and Angrox, which provide no-fuss control, to the versatile Pairtty for multi-device setups, and the high-tech SofaBaton U1 and X1S with smart integration and app support, each remote shines in its own way. We've tested them all, and no matter your needs, whether it's ease of use, compatibility, or smart home control, there's a universal remote here that will simplify your life. And there you have it, the top 5 best universal remotes of 2024. Wow, what a lineup. Do you agree with my top 5 list? Do you have comments, questions, or concerns? Are there any other universal remotes you think should have been mentioned? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit the like button. And if you super enjoyed the video, leave a super thanks. It's like leaving a little tip, and it directly helps out the channel. You deserve the very best and nothing less, so be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next top 5 video.